Good afternoon, Claw Nation. Kelly here. Oh my god, I'm down to one monitor because my older monitor just died on me. Lovely. But hold on. I'm trying to fix OBS to work here for a moment. Hold on. Okay, I don't know what you're doing. Okay, I don't know what you're doing. Window capture. I don't know. Whatever. Whatever you feel like doing. Fine. Fine. Let's just go. Okay, fine. Whatever. Okay. Anyways, doing this with one monitor is not easy. But anyways, Polytoria News yesterday put out some news on Twitter about Polytoria developer Maji has released a progress report on the upcoming Godot client and creator. And the blog also includes the new walking and emote animations and all that for in-game. And I came and took a look at it. Yeah, my computer's not happy right now. And it's the progress report pretty much. Can I not scroll down? What the hell? Okay, this is just weird now. Okay, Amaji put it up. Is the developer of the 2.0 client creator, which is also known as the Godot client. It's still in development, so things shown in this blog post could change, which is no problem. They've been working on this since August, and they've made a lot of progress. So, okay, client. They've rebuilt the client from the ground up using the Godot game engine. I don't know what Godot is. I will have to look into that. But they say here it's an amazing open source game engine which gives us full control over the underlying architecture and how things work internally. This makes the client much more flexible and significantly easier to maintain. And besides just rebuilding the client, they've also added a lot of new things and have changed things here and there. Let's see what's new. Okay, the character. I come over here. You can kind of see the changes there, but okay, the character they have. The first thing you'll notice is our new character. Limbs can now bend, which makes the character more flexible and allows for more complex animations. It's like wavy, like waving there, as they call it, wavy. And speaking of animations, I hope this works on here. Okay. All animations have been completely revamped to make use of the new character. So here's walk and run on this one. Jumping, that looks good. Dance. You can dance here. Okay. They also do have a new user interface. The user interface of the client has also been overhauled. Here's a sneak peek of some of the new UI. I've seen this 100 health. I've seen that. I've seen this. I haven't seen these two, so this is new. I think I've seen those two. And then this I've seen already. General graphics, settings. We've also added an emote wheel instead of having to type emotes in chat, which is good. This is actually a good improvement. For those of us who don't know how to, slash, dance, or whatever, this is a good way to do it. So that's a good improvement there. Another commonly asked feature was the ability to rearrange tools in your inventory. So we're doing that. Okay, yeah, that's good too. Controller support has also been improved compared to the current client. Besides moving around, you can also interact with menus in your inventory using the controller. Biggest changes coming are oriented to developers. They've completely rebuilt from the ground up and eliminated most of the issues that are present with the current creator. They are also introducing many new features, like I said there. The 2.0, they're introducing a file-oriented approach for managing the projects. While previously your places lived in a single poly file, 2.0 text projects as separate folders. Lua scripts live separately as .lua files on your file system, which then can be linked to one or multiple scripts. This means you can reuse the same Lua script. Okay, not only scripts can be managed more easily, this applies to models too. This is how they're going to have it set up. They still have to improve the actual building of the places. Input management system. Introducing the new input map system. 2.0, you can define key bindings more easily in your places. The input map can have multiple actions. Improved Lua scripting. They're changing their Lua backend from Moonsharp, a Lua 5.2 implementation in C number, to a direct interface with Lua. It doesn't help with building, though. Example, each tagging system. They're also introducing a tagging system to instances in 2.0. Decals are now actual decals. Okay. Other changes. Changes are showcased in those blog posts are only the tip of the iceberg. There are many other things that they've added, like 3D GUIs, more control over the character model, UI masks, locking ports, and much more. The place work in 2.0, the jump from 1.0 to 2.0 will be a massive one, which involves many changes to the project format and scripting API, and compatibility with old places is pretty important. But they can't ensure 100% compatibility. So here's where they are. They did the basic client, started in August. The staff testing was started September 20th. The Lua scripting was implemented October 23rd. The beta testing, November 3rd, and basic creator started in November. Those are all completed. What's in progress right now is creator staff testing, which started on the 17th, and then the creator beta testing and more. It doesn't really address, though, actually building the actual building parts to the places. I'm telling you, Polytoria, you really want members to come on the game. You have to take the Roblox. Don't steal the Roblox model, but take their model as an example of people, adults and kids can go on Roblox and build a space and have no issues with it. Somebody like me who doesn't know coding can go in there and I built a quick obby. We need that model in Polytoria. Otherwise, you're not going to get anywhere. You can do all these updates and stuff, but we need that game experience place model so we can build our stuff on Polytoria. That's what we need. But yeah, so this is this is just the new stuff here. Yeah, this is how it's going to go here. But I just wanted to let you guys know about that. I got to search for a second monitor now. This one died. This one right here is like 10, 15 years old. And just today it started giving me the black, yellow, white lines. And the lines are scrolling up the screen. So I'm like, yep. I just unplugged it because when I went to use it, even at its lower display setting, it went green screen, black screen. So I just unplugged it. So at least now, hopefully, this will work. But anyways, guys, let me know what you think. Go read the blog yourself if you want to. And just let me know what you think how Polytoria is doing with the updates. I think they need to change the way that places are built, though. If they want their members building it, they got to do it like Roblox. But guys, I hope you enjoyed. Hit the like button. If you're not subscribed, come join Claw Nation, come join Twin Tails Productions, and turn on your notification bells. And as I always say, guys, stay beautiful, stay kind, and have fun. I love you all, Claw Nation, and until next time, ciao, everybody. Bye-bye.